how to differentiate between a warranty, a service plan, and a motor plan. Many people are uncertain in this subject. They end up incurring massive, unplanned expenses because either they were too shy to ask what the difference is. Number two, the dealership never bothered explaining to them because they said, yeah, we understand, don't worry. They just want to jump in that nice new car. Don't worry. After today, after this masterclass episode, you understand exactly what the difference between a service plan, a warranty, and a motor plan is. Let's get into it. First option, we're taking a look at a Suzuki Jimny GLX model. Comes out with a 4-year, 60,000 kilometer service plan. So the service plan will basically pay for all the serviceable items. However, it will not pay for wear and tear items, like for example brake pads or windshield wipers. You need to also bear in mind, check with the specific manufacturer. You have to service the vehicle in a certain time. Like with this vehicle, it is either 12 months or 15,000 kilometers. If you are late on the months or you exceed the 15,000 kilometers, that may then affect your warranty. So make sure if it's in August, it gets done in August. 15,000 kilometers, if you don't reach the 15,000 in August, do it in August. However, if you've reached the 15,000 in June, you have to service the car in June. Otherwise, you might forfeit your warranty. Okay, option 2, a warranty. A warranty is basically a promise from the manufacturer that the product that you bought and they sold you is great. If that product should fail, the warranty comes in and repairs the product. If you've serviced your vehicle according to factory specs. So if you are late with your services, they may or may not, some of them don't, but they may. It's a bigger chance that they may repudiate your claim. That means they're going to say you went over the time or over the mileage. Sorry, that's why the car broke. That's a warranty. Okay, option 3, the motor plan. This is normally with a premium brand car like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, or an Audi. They call it the freeway plan. This is the best, strongest version with the biggest muscles. So the only thing that you pay for here is fuel and tires. That means any and all labor, serviceable parts, wear and tear parts, clutch, gearbox, as long as it's not abused. And as long as you have serviced your vehicle, even though it's free. Remember, some people don't even service their car because they forget. You need to be mindful here. As long as you serviced it according to factory specifications and due to the time. So you can't be late or with more kilos, and they'll pay for everything. If you liked and enjoyed this type of content, if you feel that this might bring value to a family friend or even a family member, please share this masterclass video. Otherwise, just hit the subscribe button as well as the bell, and we'll make sure all new masterclass episodes get sent to you first through the notifications. Take care, everybody.